Hello guys, welcome back again with me Chris from Shoot and Shelter. So today I'm gonna make a Windows cover DIY, and I'm gonna try to make it less than $30. And yeah, first thing first, we're going to Bunning and we're gonna find an aluminum foil, where now I found that we can use emergency blanket. It's cheaper, it's about only $4. And also you need to find a duct tape or masking tape to attach it in your windows. And also we also need a spray gum or spray glue. I found it here is about $11.45. It's quite cheap for a spray glue. It is really good to attach the foil and the carton. And yeah, you can find it on Bunning or Kmart or any store that is provide the tools like that. And yeah, let's go to make it.
Hi. Just right here, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So after I finish grocery for my tools and all the ingredients I need, I just counted. I only pay like $22 for spray gun or spray glue and emergency blanket, and also duct tape, because we also need a carton and newspaper, but I can get it for free. So now we're gonna start to duct tape the newspaper into your windows. It is for measurement about the window size that we can cut, and also that newspaper that we can just tape it with the masking tape or duct tape can make a shape of our windows. And then after we can measure it, we can just draw the windows on our carton and our foil or emergency blanket. So after we finish that, we're gonna have a shape of my car windows. Now this one is the front windows. And yeah, now I just copy the size of it and then draw it in my carton, and then I cut it accordingly. And after I finish cut it, it's gonna have a carton with the same shape of my windows. And yeah, I don't need the newspaper anymore. Now my carton is the main size for my foil that I can cut later. So after I cut it, now it's time to put my foil into my carton, and I can draw again the same way to draw a newspaper with the carton, but now the carton with the emergency foil or aluminum foil. Well, it's basically the same method we can just use. So after we've done the cut and the measurement, now we have a aluminum foil and a carton with the same size. It's time for us to spray the spray glue, and then just attach the carton and the aluminum foil, and you're gonna have one solid a windows cover, but we have to make it in the two sides, so you have to cut double of emergency blanket or aluminum foil, and then you put the same way again with the spray glue, and after that wait like a 1 or 2 minutes until it's dry. Now you just use your duct tape to glue it in the side of every side of that windows cover. As you can see, now we have a cover side. It's gonna make it solid and no leaking or no glue that just come out. And there you go, we got one windows cover with the double side of aluminum foil or emergency blanket. And yeah, we're gonna try it. Now we're already in my car, and I'm gonna try to put it in my front window, and yeah, it's pretty solid. It's not really precise with the size because I'm just measuring it with the manual, but it doesn't matter. I mean, just a little bit hole, it is still okay. And yeah, I can see that this aluminum foil or emergency blanket is gonna work well, I think, with my car. So now I'm gonna make for all of my windows. Let's do it. So after I finish with the cutting all of the other windows, and then I put the same way that I did with my front windows. Here we go, I already have all of windows cover for all of my windows in my car, and now it's time for me to put it all in my car and see what's going. Well, I can say it's a really good DIY, I can tell. And the thing is, I need to try it in the real camping. So tonight I'm gonna go to the mountain, and I'm gonna try to sleep in my car tonight with the DIY windows cover is installed, and let's see if I can survive. Hello guys, so tonight I'm trying the windows cover that I just made yesterday by a foil, and yeah, as you can see here, all of my windows is already covered. I'll show you. It's all covered with the foil. It is made by a emergency blanket because that one is cheaper if you just want to cut a little pieces. And now it's about almost 12 a.m. in the morning, midnight, and I feel it's okay. Outside is about let me check, 5 degrees. Yes, it's 5 degrees Celsius outside. Now I'm in a mountain, in a Mount Crawford, and the weather condition is kind of cold outside because I just went outside and it's freezing. And yeah, now I'm inside my car and it feels cozy, it feels good. I don't know, because I'm wearing a jacket or with a sleeping bag, or because I just installed this one, but I think it's really working because I've tried to open one of the Windows cover, and then I can feel the cold in the windows. So I think this DIY foil Windows cover for the car is really working. Real nice. Well, let's see in the morning, because I check in the weather. It's gonna be 4 degrees or 3 degrees around 4 a.m. till 6 a.m. Let's see if I can survive with that. See you guys. So there you go, guys. I already wake up in the morning, and then I can tell that I'm not feeling freezing or cold at all, because I think that this Windows cover is really working. And I can tell that because of this aluminum foil or emergency blanket, it prevent the warm or heat come out from my car, and also prevent that the cold from outside come inside.
Thank you for watching Shoot and Shelter TV. Don't forget to subscribe.